24th Distinction Award ceremony was celebrated in the premises of Apollo Public School behind Mohan Cinemas, Sunkatkatte on Saturday, 14th June 2025. It is the most prestigious award ceremony conducted at the school to honor the meritorious students of Class 10. The results of the academic year 2024-2025 are at an all-time high with a perfect score of 625 out of 625, followed by 624, 623, 622, 621, 620, and so on. The first consecutive 7 ranks for the state-held SSLC exams were bagged by the students of Apollo Public School.
ಚಿತ್ರಪಟಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಚಂದದ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟು ಇರುವಂತೆ, ಹಬ್ಬದ ಮನೆ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ಹಸಿರು ತೋರಣವಿರುವಂತೆ, ದೇವತಾ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗೊಂದು ಪ್ರಭಾವಳಿ ಇರುವಂತೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಅದ್ದೂರಿ ಅಪೋಲೋ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ
It is a matter of great honor and pleasure to appreciate and reward the hard work as well as the performance of the students who have made us all proud in the academic 2024-25.
तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो.
And the 6th rank with a score of 620 out of 625 was secured by the students of Apollo Aksharadhama. Out of 219 students who appeared in the examinations, 100 students have secured distinction and were honored.
ಯಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕೂರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನೀವು ಅವರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್, ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಸಾಧನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನ, ಸಾಧನೆ ಸಾಧಿಸುವವನ ಹಕ್ಕು. 80%ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅಧಿಕ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು 2024-25ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾಗಿರುವ ಅಪೋಲೋ ಶಾಲೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಪೋಲೋ ಅಕ್ಷರಧಾಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯು ಇಂದು ಅಭಿನಂದನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
A cash prize of rupees 25,000 was awarded to Varunika P for securing 10% result and obtaining the first rank for the state. The event was presided by Shri Suraj A.R. Sir, KAS, Special Deputy Commissioner, KIADB, Government of Karnataka, who greeted and congratulated the students for their phenomenal performances. The founder chairman, Shri Nagaraj Sir, and principal, Srimati Prema Nagaraj Ma'am, greeted and addressed the students.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಾಲಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯು ನೆನಪಿನ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I want to congratulate the principal, the teachers, students, and also the parents for your time, effort, and energy into making this possible.
I need to wish you all congratulations for all your achievements, whatever you have done till now. And I hope you will keep your confidence up, not complacence, confidence. ಇದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಶಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಲ್.
2024ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಪೋಲೋ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಪೋಲೋ ಅಕ್ಷರಧಾಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Dear student friends, I have a small message for you today on this day. See, all of you had teachers and parents constantly and consistently monitoring you throughout your schooling. Now that you're in college, it might seem like freedom is great. No teachers to probe you to learn, no teachers to take great concern in your progress. It's all about you now.
The students were awarded with school medal, certificate, wall clock, and cash prizes. The outstanding results of our institution speak volumes about the dedication of our experienced faculty and the determination of our strong-willed students. After months of preparations, hard work, and methodical practices, our students have emerged with flying colors. Apollo Group of Institutions are the top school in the north zone of urban Bangalore. The parents were thrilled with such phenomenal results, and the current 10th batch students were motivated by their seniors.